Good afternoon. Welcome to day 414 at the EMA office, where I'm joined with Chairman Kern and Brian Whitaker. And Brian, you have today's numbers on this beautiful Saturday afternoon.
Yes, sir, I do. Thank you. In St. Clair County, we've tested 342,190. That's an increase of 2,096 since yesterday. Positive test results are 30,495. That's an increase of 48 since yesterday. Those are males and females under the age of 10 and up to their 80s. That brings our daily county positivity to 2.3%. Negative test results are 311,695. And the St. Clair County deaths related to COVID-19 remains at 476. For those that have completed the IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 29,646. For state totals, they've tested 22,749,403. Positive test results of 1,337,868, which is an increase of 2,813 since yesterday. Sadly, the state did announce an additional 32 COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 21,992. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 18 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with 0 patients on ventilators. Regionally, there are 38 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with 2 patients on ventilators. There are no changes to our congregate living facilities today, and as we talk about every day, testing remains vitally important. If you are exposed to someone who tests positive for COVID-19, or you're displaying any symptoms yourself, it's important that you get that test to rule out the possibility of COVID-19, because if you are positive, you need to be isolated to keep that spread from occurring. Testing is available at St. Clair Square Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., and at various urgent care and pharmacy facilities throughout the county. I'll now turn it over to the chairman for his update.
Thanks, Brian. Let's take a look at the zip codes today. 62059 up 3 to 41. 62201 is up 1 to 604. 62204 up 1 to 418. 62205 up 1 to 670. 62206 up 6 to 1,396. 62207 up 2 to 621. 62208 up 2 to 1,722. 62220 up 2 to 2,176. 62221 up 7 to 2,921. 62223 up 1 to 1,844. 62226 up 4 to 3,345. 62232 up 1 to 936. 62243 up 2 to 805. 62260 up 2 to 836. 62269 up 3 to 3,412. And 62285 up 2 to 598. 48 new positives in St. Clair County today. 2,096 people tested. Makes our county positivity 2.3%. That brings our rolling average today. I guess that would be down to 3.3%. And the regional positivity is up to 2.6%. And that's derived by the fact that today Bond County calls in at 0.7%. Clinton County at 1.1%. Madison County's at 4.6%. Monroe County, 3.5%. Randolph County, 0%. St. Clair County, 4%, or 4.8%. And Washington County, 3.5%. Herb, there is still a lot of COVID out there. 7 cases in 62221, 6 cases in 62206. Can't let our guard down. We have to continue to do all of those things that include social distancing, washing our hands, and wearing this mask. But getting vaccinated is the ultimate firewall protection against getting COVID-19.
Well, another 36 people under the age of 40 again today out of the 48 new cases. So we keep talking about that every day. That seems to be demographic right there that we've got to get the word out there to them how important it is.
The community's starting to open up. I mean, the businesses and restaurants and the bars, the stores, everything is opening up. But if you aren't vaccinated, you're not part of the solution to us getting fully open. So let's get vaccinated. Let's make this number, drive it down to levels much lower than they are today. We can completely open up and get through all of the phases finally.
Well, and this is the start of the new month, May 1st. So, I mean, we got the Memorial Day holiday going to be coming up later on this month, and we know we need to prepare for that. So let's get ready over the next couple of weeks.
And it's highly likely that this is the last month that we're going to be at the fairgrounds, given the way the numbers have dropped off. So we really are advising that the fairgrounds is the most convenient way that we could devise for you to get vaccinated. So if you want to get 2 shots, which is what you have to be fully vaccinated with Pfizer, which is what we're doing at the fairgrounds right now, you need to start thinking about getting there, getting vaccinated so that you have the appropriate 3-week time length in between your first shot and your second shot so you can get both shots at the fairgrounds. So start your planning now. Let's think about the fairgrounds and how important that is to you to be able to get there in and out in a half an hour. It's really the best place that we found to go, and certainly there's no cost, there's no hassle, and you get your card. You'll be able to then use airlines and travel and really be unrestricted in what you want to do, because there are places that are going to be requiring vaccinations to be able to attend, or even some workplaces where it's our understanding that they're going to require that you be vaccinated.
Well, and you might as well take advantage of, like you said, the fairgrounds is such a convenient way that has been set up there from start to finish. The minute you pull on the lot, you don't need an appointment, even though we encourage you to do that any day, 9 through 5, except for Wednesday. You can just pull up there and get registered, and they'll get you right in. There's been plenty enough time now for everybody to have done their research, listen to all the pros and the few cons that are out there, and as we've said for many, many days now, any side effects that I've read about and have heard about is very minimal compared to being in the hospital.
Or that we've had. All of us here have been vaccinated twice, and we're here, and we're living proof that it's a good feeling to be totally vaccinated when you go out into restaurants and bars and in public. You really have your armor on. You are vaccinated, and it is a good feeling to have that immunity.
Well, and as you said, the businesses are opening up. They're supporting, still the social distancing, wearing the mask, because they don't want to go backwards. And none of us want to do that. So, get down to the fairgrounds, because that's the way we can get back to the new norm. And we don't have to worry about that. Tomorrow is our question and answer day. The portal will open up later on this evening, and if you've got any questions about getting vaccinated, about getting tested, whatever it may be, we will try to get them answered tomorrow on day 415 here at the EMA office. We'll be back with Cindy in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities, and everybody have a good rest of the evening. Thank you.
For more than 6 months, St. Clair County residents and businesses have been in the battle against COVID-19. As we see cases surging in the country and even close to home, we must again remind everyone the fight is not over. Team St. Clair has made it this far by following the guidance and direction of our public health professionals. Now is not the time to let our guard down. We must continue to wear a mask, watch our social distancing, and wash our hands. To get through this pandemic, we must work together.